Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to resizing and sizing your images. Okay, as we know in previous video how to add an image. Suppose I want to add don.jpg file, then save as the document with name don.html, then click on save and open this HTML document. Then we can see a huge image. Okay, so we have to change the size of an image. So go to its source code, and in between this angular bracket and ending code we have to put an attribute width equal to 150 and height equal to 150. Okay, then save the file and refresh it. Look, it much smaller now. If you can change with 150 to 450 and save the file and refresh in browser, look, only width increases with same height. If you can change height to 750 and save the file and refresh in browser, then only height increases with same width. Also we can change width and height. In this way we can change an image size according to your requirement. Okay, I will see you guys in next video.